look at that wow.
What's up, everybody? It's Stocks and Stoves with Dad, and I hope y'all doing good. I hope y'all doing real good. It's the day before Thanksgiving, so shout out to those who celebrate the holidays. I hope you enjoy time with your family and your loved ones. And for those who don't celebrate the holiday, I hope you enjoy a free day off or a paid holiday off and just enjoy your family and your loved ones. You know, shout out to everybody who follows the channel, who's been supporting the channel. Today I'm going to do something different. I'm trying to build up my subscribers. I'm getting a lot of views on the reels, but I'm not really getting that many views on the videos that's related to the stocks. I do appreciate those who's watching and following the journey. And today I'm just doing a short reel. I might be doing this a little bit more often just to get a little bit more exposure to the stock portion of my channel. As you know, my channel is about health and wealth and health, stocks and stoves with Dad. The stocks portion is about financial freedom, and the stoves portion is about cooking and just spending time with your family, eating good meals, nourishing the body, and staying alive as long as we can. Because what's the money if you ain't got no health? I mean, you're not going to even enjoy your wealth. You know what I'm saying? You're going to be in the hospital all the time and things like that. So today's video is just a short video, and I'm actually going to purchase some stocks live here with you guys. Nothing too crazy. The market has been very volatile for the past couple weeks, and this week we've been recovering. So, and certain things are moving sideways. So just to let you know a little bit about the journey, I started off with little to nothing. I even was unemployed for about a year and a half, and even then I was still doing gigs and you know, making ways to make some income and pour it into the stock market. So I started off with less than $1,000 2 years ago, and right now I'm sitting at 16 in my account with some dry powder in there, which means buying power. And then I recently opened up a Roth IRA account, which started off with these two shares you can see right there, SCHD. These two positions, I mean SCHD and SPYM, and I recently added some more positions. So I'll get into details when I drop a full video on the channel, but this is just a short reel just to let you know I'm good, I'm here, I'm alive, we thrive and survive, and even during the down days. And just to show you what I mean by down days, we'll go to the traditional account. Look at, all right, for the 3 months, okay, let's look at this. For the 1 month, I'm down $294. It was almost like $600, but I've been recovering. So I'm getting some of that money back right now, just so you know how it works. Let me look for the year. $944.92 all times. Positive $6,000. 395.18 cents. So let's just get to the meat of this video. So I just want to show you how, and right here in my Roth IRA, my dry powder is the buying power, $258.79. Just to show you, you can always buy fractional shares. Everybody think to be an investor or trader or anything like that, you just got to have a ton of money. No, it's not true. You can start at a young age. I wish I did. You could take a little bit of your paycheck, $20 here, $50 there, and just buy fractional shares and just build your way up. You know what I'm saying? So the bottom three positions, VXUS, which is an international position. I wanted to expose my portfolio, this particular portfolio, my long-term retirement portfolio. I wanted to get some exposure in international trades. All these are paying stocks. They pay dividends and growth stocks and things like that. So let's just go ahead and buy a few shares. So I don't own a full share yet. I could easily just buy one right now, but I'm going to show you the power of dollar cost averaging and buying fractional shares. So this position is Vanguard Total International Stocks ETF. So my market value is $30.62, and I'm positive 0.61. I'm gonna just show you in the long run how this will build out in the future. So we're just gonna add a little bit right now. Obviously, I got it at an average cost of $73.12, and right now it's sitting at $74.62. So it's market value $30. So let me try to even it out and make it $50. I'm gonna go ahead and purchase $20 worth. So I'm not gonna do number of shares, because number of shares mean, let's go to one number of share. That means you're buying a whole share. That means I would have to pay for the whole share $74.62. But I'm gonna show you how you could just buy fractional shares. So we're gonna go to shares at the very top right hand of the screen right here, and we're gonna change it into dollars. So I'm gonna invest $20 into the stock. Boom, purchase. Order sent, done, completed. So I purchased $20 worth. Now you can see the market value is no longer $30. I now own zero point 0.6 shares of this position at $50.62 is the market value. So we're going to go right here. SCHH. That's another ETF. It's a REIT. So it's dealing with real estate and things as such. So mortgages, real estate, investments, trusts like that. So that helps balance out the portfolio too. So now I have a REIT that is included in my Roth IRA, and it's currently sitting at $21.59. I bought it at an average cost of $21.17. So I've already made some profit. Since it's only $21, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and buy a full share. So I'm going to pay $21.59 and purchase a full share. So we're going to buy, and we're going to change from dollars and go to share. I'm going to buy one whole share. That's $21.59. Review, boom, purchase. So now I should have two shares. You just seen I purchased it in my Roth IRA. Now I got two shares, market value sitting at $43.18. And we're going to do one more for you guys. JEPI, that's another position I just got into. It's a JP Morgan equity, and it's a monthly paying stock. So I got zero point 0.3 shares at a market value of $20.32. A full share is $57.79. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to get close to the $57. So I'm just going to add $30 into this position. So I'd be $7 shy of having a full share. So we're going to go to trade. We're going to go to buy. We're not going to go to shares, because I know the exact dollar amount I want to spend. We're going to go buy in dollars. Boom. And I believe I said how much I had in there? $20. So I'm going to put $30 in there. $30. Boom. Review. Send. Purchase. Boom. That easy. Now I have a market value of $50.32, 0.8 shares. So I'm almost at a full share. So if I purchase later on today, like $7.79 worth, I'll have a full share. But I'll do that later this afternoon after the lunch period between 12 and 1. And if it drops a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and have a full share of JEPI by the end of today. And it's just that simple. And that's just to show you, you don't need a lot of money to invest. Now look at the buying power. It's $187.20. It was just a little bit over 200 if you remember when I said my buying power, the dry powder. So it's just that simple. And then you just do that on a consistent basis, and you'll end up in a situation like SCHD. You see, I got 10 shares. Look at that. At a market value of $275. And as you know, I was up on SCHD. It was actually in my traditional brokerage account, the same Robinhood account, my traditional account. And I moved it over to this portfolio for tax saving purposes. Same thing with SPYM, previously known as SPLG. Once I created the Roth IRA, I moved this position from my traditional account into here. So as you can see, I'm positive 4% on that position, $10.85 up. And that's just to show you I mean, it isn't that hard to invest. Yes, you have to study. Yes, you have to understand the market trends. Yes, it's good to understand the charts. It's good to understand the business. It's good to understand how the market works. But I'm just showing you it doesn't take that much money to invest into the market. So that's all I got for you guys. I appreciate you. Please follow, follow, follow. I need some subscribers. I'm trying to build my channel from ground up. I appreciate those who've been watching the journey. And this channel is not for gurus. This channel is not for super experienced stock investors. That's not what I'm doing. This is for beginners. This is for newbies. It's for everybody because I want to learn from you guys. I want to read your comments. I want to read your advices. So it's for everybody. But what I'm saying is my subscribers. I want people who don't believe in the stock market, people who thinks it's gambling, people who don't know nothing about investing to, watch my channel, see where I started, see where I'm going. And I promise you, man, anybody could do this. All you got to do is be consistent and disciplined, and you got to want it. I want it. I want financial freedom. So this is not like accounts that I'm using. This is what it is. It's not a bank account for me. This is my future. So, we can't count on Social Security. We can't count on the government. We can't count on these jobs. So we got to take the initiative and do what we got to do for us, for self, for your family, for your loved ones. And it is what it is. So shout out to everybody. Peace and love. Please follow the channel. Check out some of my stock videos. They're posted on my channel. They're not on my reels, but I'm going to start doing things like this when I'm buying so you can see, the journey. You can see it live and direct. So peace and love. I'm going to rest a little bit. I got some work to do. And God bless you all. I wish you happy holidays, and I wish your financial journey, your situation, I hope you make a lot of money in abundance, a lot of love, give love, receive love, and, always think the higher power for another day above ground. Peace and love. Follow Stocks and Stoves with Dad. Hit that thumbs up and show me some love. Y'all have a great weekend, extended weekend. Peace.